Many times we have viewers reach out to us when we have a severe weather event and they claim that they had a tornado go through their area just based on the damage that they had. But what many of our viewers are surprised to learn is that straight line winds can cause just as much damage as tornadic winds. So a little bit of an explainer here. Straight line winds, they can get as high as 100, maybe even 150 miles per hour. But what you'll notice with straight line winds, objects fall in the same direction. And so when you see trees lying in the same direction, that's usually a sign of straight line wind damage. This is what the National Weather Service looks for when they go out to do storm surveys after a storm moves through the area. With tornadoes, it is different. We'll talk about that in a moment, but here's a look at a picture of some straight line wind damage in our area several years ago. Notice the trees all lying in the same direction, so that's straight line wind damage. When we're talking about tornadic winds, now the most frequent tornadoes are the weaker tornadoes, winds at about 110 miles per hour. So sometimes people think that they had a tornado, but it was actually straight line winds. It can be similar destruction, but it looks different. This is tornadic winds. The trees just kind of fall in different directions. Things are kind of scattered about and you can't really tell which direction the wind was going. So that would be more of a tornadic wind damage. And this is a photo of some tornado damage, and notice how it's just a big, huge mess. This tree clearly fell in this direction. This tree fell in this direction. It's a huge mess. So there is a difference between straight line wind damage and tornadic wind damage. Both can be very destructive, and we do get both of these types of wind scenarios moving through our area frequently, especially during the spring months. So that's just a quick overview on the difference between straight line wind damage and tornado wind damage. In the studio, I'm meteorologist Amy Wilmoth, WRAL News.